My name is Noah Hernandez. So the graduate training program is where we come and we just learn all the basics about HVAC and the systems. I signed up for the graduate training program because it's just such a great opportunity that other companies in our industry don't have. We come and we're taught so much stuff, and we're just really well equipped when we get into the field because of everything we learn here. We've learned that HVAC systems make up a third of the world's energy usage, and through all I've learned how much I can help, and I think that's really inspiring. Creating a sustainable future is part of our mission. Engineers, our contractors, our customers look to us as consultants. So in order for us to move towards that sustainable future, we have to implement those systems out in the field, and the way we do that is just staying educated and educating our customers. So I'd say one of the best aspects of the graduate training program is getting to know the other people. We all get put in the same space, and we're all in this together. So from day one, we just get to know each other and hang out. It's one of the greatest decisions you could ever make because you learn so much. You make such great friends. Trane Technologies is such a great company to work for. The culture is amazing.